Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is my day off from work, and still I'm early. So I'm taking this time to have a slow morning, having a nice breakfast, then getting my work done slowly as the day progresses. And right now I'm having my breakfast. It's a normal butter and bread and a black coffee, and I'm gonna enjoy it while watching something. Then after that, I have been dealing with dandruff recently, and I've tried many shampoos, like even medical ones, but they're not working. So I'm gonna try and apply some homemade recipe my mom suggested me, and let's see how that goes. And hello. So I came back from outside earlier, and I was out for the entire day again, but I end up like running some errands for my mom and then meeting my cousin outside. And again, after a bit, I am going outside to meet my friends.
Hi, tell them what you have ordered. I have gotten a double scoop of cotton candy and
I
here we have
ordered a lotus biscoff roll cake. Vlog. Hello guys. So we are doing Fitiali at 10 p.m. Oh shit. I don't know. People, I don't know anyone.
So we have the whole family dinner today, and we're going out for that. Um, I did not film a lot entire day because my family was over. And if you're wondering what is this, well, I got a heat sore, and it's still recovering. So well, yeah. So I was with my family all day long, and then I slept. I woke up, and I'm in the process of finishing my coffee that I made. I am due editing the previous video, which I do want to complete when I come back before I sleep, and hopefully I will. But yeah, for now. कशी वाटली?